Today we're going to put the rest of the nuts and bolts from the Clever Cycles die pack onto the bike and get this bike ready for daily commuting. All right. All right, so first we're gonna start at the front of the bike. We're gonna change the front axle skewer. You simply just take this off and just put on the new one. All right. Oh, okay, that's good. This is what the new piece looks like. Looks very similar. So we're gonna reuse this. So simply put it back in the same order. And same thing on this side. All right, that looks good. Everything's in place. All right, that's looks good. Very nice. Okay, next we'll change the stem bolt here. All right. Oh, that sounds pretty tight. All right. You know, there really is a noticeable difference once you have them both in your hand. So. All right. All right. Now, if you look in here, it actually says TI. Very nice. Okay, next we got the wedge bolt, so we gotta open this up, lock her in. All right, let's put this one in. Let's turn this out. This one should make a big difference because it is a pretty big bolt. Right, so let's see, we got some grease on there, so let's put some grease on this one before I put it back in. Okay, and this one, it'll say type parts on this one too, so you can always remember that which bolts that you have actually changed before, and don't replace good bolts with that. So, put some of this on this, some of this particle grease, not too much. Come on, there we go. All right. All right. That should be off. All right, okay, and that's it. Nice and simple. Okay, next we're gonna change this piece here, the stem catcher. It should just come off and it should be nice and easy. Okay. All right. Oh, there goes the washer. All right, so we might use these this piece in the future, so put everything back in there in the bag. And the new piece, it's just it's 3 pieces, looks like. You got the plastic washer looking piece, the catch piece, and the bolt. Okay, let me drop the stem so I can get it into the right location. Right there. And then give it a final lock in. All right, that's it. This one, this actually makes the front of the bike look nice. All right, cool. Okay, we got the suspension block wedge we're going to change out, and this simply unscrews from the back, and we should be able to get it out nice and easy. All right. Pop the nut out. All right, so looks like there's a plastic washer here. We're gonna reuse this piece. We'll take the block off, and then we gotta take this plastic piece off. Looks like it's on there nice and good. All right. So if it looks like this, oh yeah, it's gonna have to persuade it off. So we'll grab one of these bigger pieces. Push it off the threads. That's the old one. That's the new one. Same thing. Looks like simply gotta be tapped back on. All right, so this plastic piece, when you're banging it back on, you want to make sure that the round piece here is by the indent, because that's what's going to catch and lock the block into the piece over here, okay? So you want it to look like this. Very nice. Okay, so the last piece that we're installing today is the back rear nuts. Put the nuts on both sides, and I took off the original washer and original nut. Okay, and now I have to put the derailleur back on, and then I'll put on the final outside nut for this side. All right, so that completes the bolts and nuts for today. I actually have another order coming in this week, and I'll be replacing a a few more pieces. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and come back for more. All right.